Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so let's ready with the maths book and notebook. Okay. सामिया अभी भी ठंड लग रही है बेटा. Now still you are feeling the cold. बेटा कपड़े पहन लो थोड़े से. जैकेट वगैरह पहन लो. जैकेट पहन लो. Wear a cap. Wear a jacket. Wear a cap.
I'm sorry to come late because ma'am has
Bhave, please. Stop it. Stop there only.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I'll share the videos with you. Okay. After this period, I'll share your videos on the group. What I mean. That videos which I shoot and pictures, not videos that are the pictures as well as the song for the Christmas.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just post it. Pictures which I
Okay,
clicked.
Ma'am, today we do reasoning.
No, who said? Who said? मैंने कहा था पहले पुराना वाला चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो जाएगा फिर उसके बाद we'll start reasoning. Let me see what we have done. One exercise is left. The last exercise is left. है ना? I think last exercise is left. Which one is left? 7.11 is left. Today we will do this. 7.11. Okay, it is very easy and we'll finish it in a few minutes. Let others also enter. वरना फिर वो पूछेंगे मैम what we are doing? I came late. Sorry मैम. है ना? ऐसे ही पूछते हो ना? ऐसे ही पूछते हो ना? Sorry ma'am, I came late. I joined right now. Ma'am, please tell me what we are doing. Now Minha change her clothes. बेटा मिना पहले क्यों नहीं पहने थे ये?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
हाँ मिना पहले क्यों नहीं पहने थे ये? जब red when we were then all of us were red. Okay, today in the अभी last period में भी अभी last में बिल्कुल end में we'll click one more picture with all the red ones. Everyone will stand. Everyone will switch on their camera in the last, not now. At 1:35. Sorry, not 1:35. 1:45 a.m. 1:45 p.m. We'll click the pictures. Okay. At 1:45. And please do switch off your mics. It does not look nice when your sound is coming from the back. Okay. Let us start. Okay, don't take out anything. Just look here on the board. Let others also enter. Only 28 students are here.
I Manatkar.
What happened? What happened? Wait a second. Yes, I'm going to teach you here now. Here.
Ma'am, Bhavya is saying there will be a party.
There will be a party. Where? When?
Ma'am, at last of the class.
नहीं पार्टी नहीं थी वो फोटोग्राफ था वो पिक्चर लेने को बोला था पार्टी और कैसे होगी पूछ पीरियड
I am saying that I will send forward the link of any teacher and then we will join. We all will join and then we will do party.
अच्छा भव्य very smart what party you will do I also want to join it
Ma'am, so you have to send the link and we will.
Why would I send the link? You are hosting the party. You have to send the link. Why would I send you the link? New topic. We are going to start a new topic in fractions. That you mean by off. Wait a minute. Let me. Yeah. I'm going to spotlight myself. Yeah.
Please fill yourself.
Yes, I've pinned myself. Now see here. Off. The word off means please switch off your mics. Otherwise, I have to switch them off permanently.
Mummy, math notebook or math book.
Okay, it's not needed. Your math book is not needed. Anunsha, You didn't send me the whole work of the previous week. Unsha, you didn't send me the previous whole work of the previous week. हाँ Unsha, beta see, the word meaning of the word of means multiply. Of means multiply. Okay, if I say give half of your chocolate to me, if I say half of your chocolate to me, half means what? 1/2. If I say give half of your chocolate to me, and your chocolate is having 8 pieces, and your chocolate is having 8 pieces, so how many chocolates will you give to me? How many pieces will you give to me? I said
Ma'am, 4.
4 pieces.
Ma'am, Ma'am, 4 pieces.
Yes, you will give me 4 pieces. How have you calculated? कोई मुझे बताएगा? How have you calculated by 4? Can someone tell me? हाँ, by?
Multiplying 2 4 by 8.
See, yeah. See, by see, beta see. Actually, when wait a minute, just wait a minute. Let me do this pen. My pen is ink is.
Ma'am, we will do.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, if I say give half pieces of 8 chocolates, that means half of means multiply and 8. So when it is in the denominator, we can cancel it. How can we cancel it? 2 की टेबल में 8 कब आता है? 2 की टेबल में 8 कब आता है? How many times? 2 ones are and 2 fours are 8. That means 4 pieces.
2 times 8. Ma'am, 2 times 2 4 are 8. Ma'am, 2 4 are 8.
Yeah, 2 fours are
Ma'am, 2
8.
4 are 8.
4s are, that means 4 pieces. Okay, when numerators and denominator are in the opposite place, we can divide them. We can divide them. For example, see, half, if I say 1 by 4 of 32, what does it mean? It means 1/4 multiply by 32. And you can see 4 ones are and 4 eights are 32. So answer will be 8. Okay. Now let me give you, take out your maths notebooks, everyone. Take out your maths fair notebook. Jaldi se. Take out your maths fair notebook. Unsha, please switch off your mic and send me all the work. Take out your maths fair notebook. And on a new page, you will start a new page.
Ma'am, what happened? Yeah, here.
Where, beta? Abhi you will come to know.
Ma'am, on your lips.
On your my lips, it is something happened, beta. It's just a wound. I thought something happened somewhere on the this. Okay, right question A, everyone. Question A. Solve the following. Okay. Divide again your pages in 2 equal parts. Write 1/2 of 18. A little bit broader you have to make. Don't divide, okay? Don't divide it. Don't divide your page. Just simply write this. Do not divide the page. Do it like this.
Ma'am, question
2 9s are 18. 2 की टेबल से आपको चेक करना है 9 9 1s are 9. Like this you have to do. Okay, I'm just rubbing it and doing it properly.
Ma'am, please explain again.
It is see, off means multiply. So we will put one multiply sign instead of off. और 18 है तो 18 को you will write here. Okay. अब 2 की टेबल में आपको चेक करना है 18 कब आता है. 2 की टेबल 2 और 18 can be divided. ठीक है, तो 2 को 18 को 2 से डिवाइड करना है. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So you get the answer 9. Now write question 2. 1/4 of 32. Do it yourself. Second one you will do it yourself. Question 3 is 1/5.
Ma'am, I have understand.
Everyone should understood it. This is very easy, very easy. 3, 4 is start doing them. Okay, I am dividing the page. You don't divide the page. So I'm going that side.
Ma'am, your video is paused.
My video is paused. No, it's not paused, beta. It's working.
मैम 2 की टेबल में 18 कब आता है, उसके बाद जो जब
Speak in English, Unsha. Unsha, please switch off your mic. This is not the way to disturb others. Unsha, switch off your mic, बेटा. बहुत बार बोल चुकी हूँ अब मैं ये.
मैम व्हाट इज रिटन as 6th number?
1/8 of 48. I think it's
Okay,
visible.
ma'am. Ma'am, 2 9s are 18. So, ma'am, right, we will 9 we will write to the down to the 18.
नहीं, सामने. Equal to के सामने.
सामने लिखना तुमने. मैगी ला दो, रिफा से मंगवा के. मुझ इतनी जल्दी हो, आखिरी क्लास चल रही है.
Unsha, beta, I have told you many times. Please switch off your mic. It does not look nice. Look nice of the previous class also. So let me take it now.
Ma'am, we have to send on group also.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
If any one of you, wait a minute. Daksh Pratap Singh tak ho gaya. Let me take the attendance then I'll ask. Daksh Pratap Singh. Yes, I was asking विराट बेटा जो आपने बोला था विराट is here. विराट बेटा जो आपने बोला था start your video विराट. Start your video. Okay, let me tell you a few of the answers. Like मैं थोड़े से बता दे रही हूँ आपको. The rest will do. 1/4 है और ये 32 है. ओके, सो 4 की टेबल में 32 कब आता है? टेल मी ऑन द चैट बॉक्स, 4 की टेबल में 32 कब आता है? 4 की टेबल में 32 कब आता है? जल्दी से टाइप करो, आई वांट टू सी। Very good, very good. I got the correct answer. Yes, I got the correct answers from you. That is 8. 8 will be the answer. Okay, similarly here, 1 upon 5. Of की जगह we'll put multiply 35 and put 5 की टेबल में 35 कब आता है? 5 की टेबल में 35 कब आता है? 5 8 is 35, 7 is 35, right? So 7 will be the answer. This one, 1 upon 10 multiply by 90. If you read the table of 10, 10 nines are 90 will come here. Okay, like this you have to do. In the same way I have done. Just do it quickly. I got many answers. So remaining answers I'm going to tell you. All of you are doing it correct. Very good. All of you. All those who have sent me the answer, they are almost correct. Rishabh is not here.
I cannot join the meeting.
Why is it? Why is he not? Okay, now Unsha and Tutu is also there. I'll just check. Okay, see, 1 upon 3 you have to multiply by 30. 1 upon 3 you have to, sorry, no, yes, off means multiply. 3 ones and 3, sorry, don't cut it. Do not cut it. Okay, I did. 3 tens are 30. Okay, now I'm giving that side. So, here you have 1 upon 8 upon 48. So, how will you do 1 upon 8 of 48? Now, you will check 8 की टेबल में 48 कब आता है? 8 6 are 48. 1 upon 7 of 49 means like this. 7 की टेबल में 49 कब आता है? 7 are 1 upon 9 of 81. 9 की टेबल में 81 कब आता है? 9 are. Okay. Now 1 upon 11 of 77. 11 की टेबल में, सॉरी ऑफ नहीं है, मल्टीप्लाई आएगा. 11 की टेबल में 77 कब आता है? 7 are 1 upon 13 multiply by 39. If you read the table of 13, 13 3s are 39. These are all the answers. If you are having any problem in any of the question, just type in the chat box. Okay. Everyone, if you are facing any problem in any of the question, you can just type in the chat box. Take a screenshot of it. Okay, now the time is going to be up. So
Everyone, my name is Virat Rajani. I would like to wish Merry Christmas to respected MD ma'am, director sir, principal sir, and all the respected teachers and my classmates. Merry Christmas. Thank you.
very nice.
Teachers and classmates.
What do you want to wish?
A Merry Christmas.
And okay, all of you, Mrs. all of, yes. Now you can say yes, Sarah.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Principal sir, MD ma'am, and all the respected teachers. Today, I, Arav Gupta from class 3rd B, is going to wish you a very happy Merry Christmas and a very happy New Year. Thank you.
Okay. कोई सेंटा नहीं है मेरे पास.
Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy
कैमरा ऑन करके, ऐसे नहीं.
tidings we bring to you and your kids. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy New Year. Now bring us a figgy pudding, now bring us a figgy pudding.
Oh, sorry.
Bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring it right there.
Okay, bye everyone.
We wish you a
Bye.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a
Bye
Merry Christmas.
everyone.
We wish
Enjoy
you a
your
Merry
day.
Christmas and a happy New Year.
चलो लास्ट टाइम, बहुत अच्छे से सबकी वीडियो ऑन। ओह माय गॉड।
Share your love, but don't share your food because the curry that's good for you isn't good for your dog.
जल्दी से।
Pedigree gravy with the nutrients
Wait,
your
wait,
dog
wait, 1
needs
minute
and
for me.
taste you love.
Ad is there.
Pedigree.
कैमरा ऑन कर लो जल्दी से, फिर क्विक। ओह माय गॉड, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? कौन है ये हो हो?
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We want someone to get some. We want someone to get some. We want someone to get some. So bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We all are nothing ignored. We all are nothing ignored. We all are nothing ignored. With all that good cheer, good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry
Okay, bye everyone. Time is more than up. All those who are Santas are going to send me gifts.